Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I just got home from some dumpster diving. Today is Saturday, April 4th, 2020. We are in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic. But I did do some dumpster diving. I didn't go into any stores. I didn't have to interact with any people. I am self-quarantining. We are in a stay-at-home order, as most people are, so please stay at home. This all came from pharmacies that are open, for access to food and medical stuff. However, as you can see, I have a huge amount of trash here. This is 7 bags. All but this one back here came from one dumpster. It's a little bit disheartening because of the current, global situation. But I'm going to use what I can and then donate the rest. But I just wanted to show you really quick how it looked when I grabbed it out of the dumpster. And then I'm going to go ahead and organize it over here, and I'll be right back to show you the rest. All right, I am back. I have everything pretty much all organized, and it is quite a lot. It is the most food I've found in a little while. Obviously, I'm not finding any of the fun home decor stuff right now because those stores are closed. But I do still have to report into my place of work 2 times a week. I'm not working the same as I usually would, and there's no other people there, but I do have to report into the building 2 times a week. So that is when I get out and I do just some dumpster diving. Like I said, this came from 2 stores, so I'm not going city to city. I'm not in contact with people. So please stay safe. I am doing well. I hope you guys are as well. We're going to make it through this. But in the meantime, let me show you this huge, awesome dumpster dive haul. Like I said, some of it I will keep. Most of it I will be donating. And next weekend is Easter, even though we're in a little bit of a different situation than we usually are. I still am going to try to do the Easter baskets that I donate to the kids. I do it every year. If you want to head back on my channel and look at them last year. And some of this I'm going to put in those as well. All right, so let's start over here. I think this is actually fun too. I have a whole bunch of dog and a little bit of cat stuff. I have some balls, some wet food, some chew rings, I don't know, just like some bones, some treats. These are some chicken bones in here. Not actual chicken bones, but bones with chicken, some cat food, and then cat litter boxes. Usually I would donate these to the Humane Society, but they are also closed for the time being. So I thought it'd be fun to make a little pet Easter basket. As a kid, I would have thought it was so awesome if I got an Easter basket and my pet did as well. So I think that'll be cute. I'll just give that with another one to a family that has some pets. So there's that. I have a bottle of distilled white vinegar, which is awesome. 8 individual little cups of macaroni. 2 things of Gerber apple juice, which is just regular apple juice, doesn't have to be for babies. 2 baby food pouches, apple, blueberry, and spinach. And then right here is some cordial cherries. And I only took one out, but I haven't finished going through this bag because it's a little bit gross. It's wet in there for some reason and sticky, but there's a whole ton of these cordial cherries and some other things. So I'm going to take that one outside and go through it. But I'm pretty sure that's majority of what's in there is the cordial cherries, which I do not think are any good. They're just so sweet, but I do know a lot of people that love them, so I'm gonna not keep those. And then right here I just have a little stack of individual things. I have some corn nuts, some Nourish granola bites, some beef sticks, Belvita, some chocolate cranberries, fruit bars, stuff like that. And then I have a whole nother pile of that right here with a lot of granola bars and protein bars, and there's some chickpea snacks down here and just a lot of those. So I just kind of piled those up. I have 2 10 packs of Perrier. This one is regular. The one underneath it is lime. And then I have this giant thing of Polar Seltzer water. There was actually a lot more of these in there, as well as some other juices that I actually would have kept for myself. However, at the time I went, there were some heavy construction materials on top, so I couldn't get to the the other ones. They had kind of fallen down underneath it, but I managed to grab these from the dumpster at that time, which is good. And then I have some popcorn. I have one caramel and cheddar popcorn mix, and then 2 of the spicy sriracha popcorns. I also have another bag of returnable bottles. I get 10 cents for each of these. However, at the moment, all recycling centers are closed due to the coronavirus, so I cannot return them. So they've just kind of been hanging out at my house. I actually have over here, our bin is full, and this is what we've actually been drinking that is just waiting to be taken back eventually after this is all over. So I'll just keep holding on to them for now. Moving on, I have some scar treatment sheets. 2 huge variety packs of Band-Aids. These had a tag on them that said overstock, which I'm not sure why you can't just sell them, but I don't know. I don't know how all that works. There's 120 assorted Band-Aids in here. I have never, ever, ever purchased Band-Aids. I've only ever dumpster dived. Dumpster dove? Found them. I've only ever found them. Okay, now I have a whole stack of these, mostly dark chocolate covered almonds. There's some pretzels down here, and then there's some yogurt covered almonds. And then another kind of chocolate covered almonds in 2 things of sunflower seeds. Behind that are a stack of shortbread cookies and then a stack of wafer cookies. I used to love, love, love these as a kid. I still do, but I used to eat them a lot more than I do now. These are not dated until August, so those I'm going to put in the Easter baskets. I don't put anything that has passed its sell-by date in presents or gift baskets or stuff like that. I will donate it and make sure that people are aware, but other than that, I make sure that they're in date, which these are. That's a bad one, but it's 8/22/20, so August. And then another Belvita, and then a whole stack of these. Well, this one's sandwich cookies, but underneath it is all vanilla shortbread cookies, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. There's that. I have a stack of some more granola bars. These ones are little minis. Let's see the date on these. Maybe I can put these in Easter baskets. March 18th. So no, but those will still be a great donation item. I have some more RX bars, and then a stack of these Go Love almond butter protein bars, so that's good. A big box of Fresh Stack saltine crackers. I have some Taco Bell, almost like Doritos. These ones are fire, and these ones are Reaper Ranch. Sometimes I really do crave like spicy chips, so I'm going to keep these for us here. Maybe eat them with some refried beans or salsa or something, but those sound pretty good. Another thing that will be going in the Easter baskets, because the date is not until July 2021, are these candy sharks. I think those are fun. And as well as these dinner mints, even though they're pretty plain and kids, I don't know if they really like them, but they're going in anyways. The parents can eat them if they want. Their date isn't until December. I also have a pack of Milano Cookies, which will be donated, as well as all of these freeze-dried strawberry crisps. I have some granola, peanut butter granola back here, which I might keep. I haven't had granola in quite a while. A whole stack of Nutella, which would have been fun to put in Easter baskets, but it did just pass its best by date on April 1st, so those will just be donated. And then behind that I have 2 boxes of chickpea rotini pasta, so that's an awesome find. I then have 3 of these Harvest Snap Pea Crisps and 4 organic mango slices, no sugar added. They always look not too good because they're organic and they don't have any sugar in them to preserve it. But their date is April 2020, which is now. It's early April, so those will be just fine. And then look how adorable these are. They're just little, I guess it's birds. Cookies. It has this cookie jar looking thing on the front. It's chocolate cheesecake flavored, so that sounds absolutely delicious. Then I have some beef jerky, stumbling over my words. Beef jerky under here, some sea salt, and then there's some chili garlic on the bottom. Some protein power cookies, a few snickerdoodles, and then a few lemon as well. Next to that I have some Cheez-Its Snapped, which also look very delicious in my opinion. And then I have some Annie's cheddar bunnies right there. And then I have some cookies. These are soft-baked brownie cookies, which are delicious. I have had them before. I have some confetti cake batter cookies, and then 2 lemon cake batter cookies as well. Moving backwards, I have one little Valentine's thing. It's Snoopy and some chocolates on there, so I will just give that away as well. I have one thing of Pop-Tarts Bites, and then 3 packs of these Keurig K-Cups. They're French roast. Their date is April 11th, and they will be fine for, I'm even going to say years after that, so those are good. Yeah, awesome. I have 2 things of these colored goldfish. Their date isn't until the 19th, so those are still fine. 3 of these peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets right here, and then a whole stack, tons and tons of these pretzels and crackers party mix. Again, I know these are not the most fun, but they aren't dated until, I want to say, July of this year, so I'm putting those in the Easter baskets as well. You know, kids like snacks. Who doesn't? I like snacks. Everybody likes snacks. And then I also have a few more donuts down here, but I didn't even take them out of the bag because, well, I don't have an excuse, but they're in the bag right there. You can see them. And then the last part of the haul is also very fun. This is huge. It's a whole bolt of fabric. And it's really pretty, like a minty, bluish green, soft, fuzzy fabric. It's a whole bolt. So I don't know why it was thrown out. Like, it's very, oh, it's 2 different fabrics. I didn't even know that. So we have this one, which goes all the way to here, and then we have this other blue fuzzy one, almost has stripes on it. It goes the rest of the way. Yeah. Huh, that's kind of cool. We got a 2-for-1. So I can definitely make something with that, especially with all the time I have at home right now. But that is about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to get to work organizing all of this, keeping some, putting it in piles, and then getting started on the Easter baskets for next week. I'll keep you updated on those. I hope you guys are doing well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back soon with another dumpster diving related video. Stay safe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.